Hi, I'm at Polish Pottery TV. My name is Monika, and we are getting a lot of questions about how to recognize patterns. Good question. In general, you cannot recognize them beyond telling if this is standard pattern, traditional pattern, or unicat pattern. Usually they're going to be marked at the bottom of each item with either the sign for unicat or number of unicat, and I will show you some close-ups and you will know exactly how to recognize them. But they are going to be different for different companies that make Polish pottery in Bolesławiec, Poland. So today I'm going to concentrate on Ceramika Artystyczna factory, which is the most recognizable and most loved by all the collectors of Polish pottery. So let's concentrate on Ceramika Artystyczna. So start from the beginning. What are the markings at the bottom of each piece? So usually you will see the logo of the company. In this case, this is Ceramika Artystyczna. That picture that you see here is going to be Ceramika Artystyczna logo. And then you will, of course, have the name of the company. And then handmade in Poland. And usually they also have a Bolesławiec, Poland as well. That is the simple stamp for standard or traditional patterns from Ceramika Artystyczna. You are not going to see any unicat word on standard or traditional patterns. For unicat patterns, you will also see the logo of Ceramika Artystyczna, the name, and Bolesławiec, Poland, and handmade. But on top you will have word unicat, which means unique in English, and the number for that unicat pattern. Also, the name of the artist who designed this beautiful unicat pattern. That is the difference between unicat patterns and standard patterns. How to recognize patterns between themselves, what level of unicat, that's a different story. You either have to remember in your head that this unicat number is level 3 or level 5, and good example of level 3 unicat pattern is this beautiful pattern with the white birds. This is pattern unicat 4830, designed by Miss Maria Starzyk, and it's called Waiting Birds. This is classification 3 of the unicat patterns. Why? Because Ceramika Artystyczna decided that this is the level 3. Very similar. I picked on purpose the same shape with similar patterns so you can see what is different. And actually, can you say what is different? Not really. But in this case, here we have the bullfinch on Rowan pattern, also designed by Miss Maria Starzyk, and this is unicat 4908, which is U5 classification, so level 5 of unicat patterns from Ceramika Artystyczna. Again, why? Because Ceramika Artystyczna decided that this is higher level. And the differences between both patterns are, in U5 level, we have more colors, more elements, which equals or translates to more time spent on painting one plate or one piece of certain shape. This pattern, even though looks closely, doesn't require as much time because it doesn't have as many colors and elements to paint one piece. Another interesting thing, I have different type of pattern in here, very closely related, and one of them is standard. So here I have a basic standard pattern with the chicken. This is standard pattern. There is no unicat word or unicat number at the bottom. And here we have level 3 unicat, unicat 4933 by Mr. Saliana. And why they are not in the same category? Because again, they are painted with more elements or less elements, and that's how Ceramika Artystyczna decides which is going to be standard pattern or which is going to be unicat pattern and what level. So in this unicat pattern you will see the same shape and colors on the chicken, but it is requiring more time to paint all the details around the plate, or it doesn't matter if this is plate or mug. It requires more time and more elements for the artist to place on that particular piece, and that's why the levels are different. I hope you enjoyed this informative short video. If you still need more clarification on how to recognize the patterns from Ceramika Artystyczna, ask me. And again, my name is Monika. You know how to find me, and I will be more than happy to help you figure out the classification of your unicat pattern from Ceramika Artystyczna. Bye!